$100 million in annual recurring revenue is the Vision 2030 of one TAC Infosec Limited. This is a 770 crore market cap cybersecurity firm trading at around 34.2 times price to earnings. Okay. Now, the company generated 57.26 crores in revenue, 30.75 crores in EBITDA, 26 crores in net profit in fiscal year 2026, so highly profitable. And in order to achieve its 2030 target, the company needs to have a very, very high growth rate. Now, assuming $1 to 90 INR, I came to this 900 crore figure. But basically, the gist of it all, the company needs a high growth rate. So, how? From 10,000 clients to $100 million in annual recurring revenue. Now, the company, as far as I remember reading their con call, already has 10,000 customers. They already have connected to 10,000 customers. So, with these 10,000 customers, with the 10,000 number clients, they want to reach $100 million in annual recurring revenue, which brings us to this bundling multiple products and move accounts towards $10,000 in annual recurring revenue path. So per customer, $10,000 in annual recurring revenue is the target. How? Renewals, upgrades, and multi-product cross-sell. Renewals, making sure the existing customers keep buying on the product. Okay. Then upgrading them and cross-selling them. Basically, selling them more and more relevant services, more and more relevant product. Okay. So we move on to here. How TAC or TAC intends to become a multi-engine cybersecurity platform. Here you will see these four. These four are kind of like the products slash platforms, or some of them may be subsidiaries. So first comes the kind of the core. Okay, the first thing, the core. ESOF, Enterprise Security One Framework. What are we looking at? Core vulnerability management. AppSec, that is application security. Okay, cyber risk engine. Then we have Socify.ai, compliance automation. That is what Socify AI is dealing with. Then Cyberscope is dealing with Web3, smart contracts, and blockchain security leader. So more of the blockchain and the crypto, providing security and cybersecurity services in that. And then we have Cyber Sandia, US government and public sector cybersecurity arm. So you can see four different kind of, let's say, product platforms, and the different areas there actually providing value or service to, and the different features of each of the products. So okay, four of these things, and of course cross selling. Okay, the different platforms are being shown as different. Okay, they're different platforms, so they're cross selling. Clients engaged in one product platform, cross selling them the products of the other three platforms, or the other platforms that they have. Now, moving on, Vision 2030 includes a 40% EBITDA margin as the guidance. They're looking for 40% EBITDA margin as the base, at least 40%, which means $40 million in EBITDA they're looking for and at 2030. And their current EBITDA was 30.75 crores. So again, they're looking for big growth. Now, this is the last one. The company claims that they're among the highest profitability cohorts in global security. So at the one, we have TAC Infosec fiscal year 26, 53.8% EBITDA margin. For comparison, we have Qualys, okay, then we have Checkpoint, then we have Fortinet, and of course, very famous Palo Alto. Okay, very famous Palo Alto. And then we have Zscaler. So the company prides themselves in being one of the most profitable cybersecurity company in the world. So that is it. Let us see if TAC Infosec achieves their ambitious $100 million in annual recurring revenue in like 2030.